You're watching the Alabama Weather Network.
It's the morning weather briefing. This is for Wednesday, the 10th of September. This is James Spann. Rising heat levels will headline the forecast. Hey, we all know we can have some hot weather in September, and we will see highs over 90 in most spots by the end of this week and the weekend. Question is, when's going to rain here? We all need that. So here we go. This is the upper air look. Big trough coming into the western states. We have a light south flow aloft here. And nothing on the radar this morning. That's the radar composite. Feels pretty good this morning. A couple of spots are in the upper 50s. For example, we've got Cullman and Gadsden in the upper 50s. Most locations are in the 60s. We're expecting highs in the mid to upper 80s in most spots today. Watch warning map around the nation. Some fog issues around Minnesota, some of the adjacent states. A flash flood watch for parts of Oregon. Otherwise, things are quiet. No organized severe storms expected across the country today. Tomorrow, a marginal risk over parts of the high plains, also in parts of southwest Colorado. And on day 3, which is Friday, again, no organized severe storms expected around the country. We do need some rain. Rain for the next 7 days, valid between now and Wednesday morning of next week. Nothing. Wow. And again, the drought monitor will be released tomorrow morning. And again, we expect to see a deterioration in this. This product comes out once a week. And we'll be interested to see what that looks like tomorrow. Tropics, hey, this is the 10th of September. That means that today is the climatological peak of the Atlantic hurricane season. It is so unusual to see nothing across the Atlantic basin. Every year on the 10th of September, typically there is a hurricane somewhere, but not this year. No tropical storms, no hurricanes across the entire Atlantic basin for the next 7 days. So model fans, here we go. GFS 06C run, 4 o'clock today. Big trough in the western states, ridge over the plain states, a broad trough over the east, and once again we have a dry air mass. Sunny today, highs mid to upper 80s. High resolution HER this evening, nothing. Same thing tomorrow, highs around 90. High resolution HER tomorrow evening showing nothing. So this is Friday, we're dry. Obviously no issues for high school football games. Temperatures will likely be in the low 90s. Same thing for the weekend. This is Saturday. This is Sunday. Sunny days, fair nights, highs low 90s, maybe mid 90s in spots. Monday, I think most everybody will be in the mid 90s. Tuesday of next week, little feature the GFS has been showing in coming off the Atlantic over Georgia. Evidence maybe a few showers just east of here. And this is a week from today. Wednesday, September 17th, a little upper low is nearby, and this is suggesting there might be a few showers over southeast Alabama Wednesday of next week, a week from today, but again, we'll just have to wait and see. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, September 19th. Again, we've got a ridge in place, and evidence moisture levels could be a little higher, so perhaps toward the end of next week, we'll start to see the return of at least scattered showers across the state. This is rain for the next 15 days. And you can see it's pretty much a flat line. You're looking for the green line here, which is the mean of the ensemble members. And it does come off the flat line out there in about 10 to 15 days. The mean is 1/2 to 1 inch. And that's not a lot, but in September and October, you take what you get. Temperatures coming off the NBM National Blend of Models. Mid to upper 80s today and tomorrow, low 90s. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, mid-90s on Monday. And then temperatures come back down toward the upper 80s by the end of next week. And the latest long-range guidance, this is for September 17th through September 23rd. And temperatures, again, above average. Had a great night last night at Toyota Field. Trash Pandas, first pitch. Come on now, throw in the heat. Yeah, we had a great crowd, met so many wonderful people last night. And again, a lot of folks from the National Weather Association annual meeting, which is going on in Huntsville, came over to the ball game last night. Look at here, our Weather Brains crew. If you watch Weather Brains on Monday night, you know these people. Even some alums, Nate Johnson and Aubrey Urbanowitz coming back. Great to see them. But there we are, and it's always good to be at the NWA. That's like a family reunion. Really and truly, the professional weather world, it's not that big. And some of us old geezers have been doing this for a long time, and it's just great to see old friends there. How about the moon coming up over Toyota Field last night? 91% illuminated, and that came after another great Alabama sunset. And, you know, we're getting close to the equinox here. We're about, 10 days out. That'll be the official beginning of fall in terms of astronomy. About 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of darkness. And we are losing daylight. We've been doing that since the 21st of June. So this morning I'm going to be in Tuscaloosa at Southview Elementary School. And then on Friday I will be in Pell City at Coosa Valley Elementary School. And I need to find out the Friday Night Rivals game of the week. I'll be at a high school football game Friday evening. I'll find out later today. But we thank you for watching this morning. For those that are new here, we typically do these videos twice a day. We're live. They're streamed live on my YouTube channel and Facebook page. And then they run throughout the coming hours on the Alabama Weather Network. So however you watch, we thank you. Do invite you to watch us on the television side this evening, ABC 3340 News. And don't forget, you can catch my forecast every day on great radio stations around the state, including in Birmingham, 104.7 WZZK. Thanks for watching. Have a great Wednesday, and God bless.